Hello dear friends, my name is Vangelis Prokopiou and you are watching Drupal adding an orConditionGroup to a dynamic query. We will build upon our last video, which was getting all the users of our site along with their email and displaying it to the front end. So this is the state of the application right now. We are getting all the users with their emails. And the code is this one. Now, let's suppose that we want to add a condition here and say that we want to get all the users, but to filter them by their email. We want only the users that their email ends to a .com or to a .org domain extension. Currently, as we can see, we have .com, we have .net, we have .org, we have .io, and we have .eu. But as we said, we want only the .com domains and the .org domains. How can we achieve this with our dynamic query? Let's start building this query. So what we have to do is, before we execute the query right here, we have to add our orCondition. So let's start building it. We will name it mail condition, for example, because we are filtering by mail, and we will say that this will equal to our query, and to our query we will add sorry again, we will add an orConditionGroup, and then we will continue with our conditions. What will the first condition be? Well, we said that we want to filter by email, so we have to say that the UFD .mail field must have a value of .com, and the operator will be like. This is the first filtering condition. The email must end to a .com domain. So let's add the second condition, which was that we want the email to end to an .org domain. So we will duplicate this and we will say that we want only the emails that end to this extension. So we have built our orConditionGroup. The only thing that we have to do now is to include this condition to our query. So we must add another condition, and we will include in here the mail condition. If everything is okay, this query must return the results that we are expecting. So let's go to the UI and see what we did. If we refresh, yes, we see that we filtered our users based on their email, and we see that we only get the .com and the .org domains. We can very easily, as you can understand, add another condition here and say, for example, that we also want the .net domains. So if we go to the UI and we refresh, you can see that we are also getting the .NET domains. This is the way that we can add OR condition groups to our dynamic queries. I hope that you will find this video useful in the future. You can also consider subscribing and liking this video if you indeed find it useful. That was all for today. Thank you for watching and have a great day.